Hey there, CAD 244. I thought I'd make a quick video on the Loft feature. Um, so specifically in the vacuum handle, there is it can be a little bit funky figuring out how to make the vacuum handle using a loft. Um, and it actually ends up being two lofts. So I'll kind of go through a little bit of the process. So you're going to notice that we have a square, we have a set of squares here and then a set of circles here. So we've got, one of the planes, and then I created an offset plane over here for the circle. Actually, this is the offset plane from here. And these end up being four different sketches. So there's sketch one, which is the outer circle. And then sketch two is the outer square on the other plane. Sketch four is the inner square, and then sketch five is the inner circle. And on the vacuum handle, it's kind of set up that way as well. You've got multiple sketches um, to work with on there. So when you click Loft, you can select different sketches to add to the sections. So we'll click this one, and then we'll add that one, and you get a preview of the Loft, and that looks good. We'll click OK. And a lot of folks are like, well, how come it's not hollow? Well, we're going to do a second loft. So we're going to click loft again. And this time, over here on the side, you can do a cut. You can do an intersection, or you can do a new solid. We're going to do a cut. And so when you select the inner profiles, you'll then get a cut feature. And you'll notice that I didn't change any of the defaults in Loft. I didn't change any of these radio buttons. I did change this for this cut, and that was it. So when we click OK, then we've got a lofted cut through our section there. So that might be helpful if you get stuck. The one thing that can trip people up if you're going to make a similar part like this is that each one of those sketch profiles needs to be on its own sketch in order to make that happen. So hopefully that helps, and let me know if you have any issues.